you ready to take your sales career to the new heights? Join the Cumorah Academy Sales Bootcamp and propel your sales career to the new heights. Here are 3 compelling reasons why you should join. First, unlock your potential. Our comprehensive program equips you with proven techniques and theories to maximize your sales potential. From mastering the art of selling to unleashing your earning capacity, we provide the tools you need to excel. Second, hands-on experience. Gain valuable real-world experience in the building lasting customer relationships and delivering impactful sales presentations. Our program ensures you develop the confidence and skills to close deals successfully, setting you up for success in the competitive sales landscape. Third, expert guidance. Benefit from the knowledge and expertise of Gabe Chariton, an experienced entrepreneur and sales expert. With his industry insights and practical guidance, you will receive personalized coaching that accelerates your growth and sets you apart from the competition. To enroll in the Cumorah Academy Sales Bootcamp, you need to meet the following requirements. First, B2 English level or higher. Effective communication is crucial in sales, and a B2 English level ensures you can fully participate and comprehend the program. Also, self-motivated. We are seeking individuals who are driven, goal-oriented, and motivated to succeed. Your determination will be the key to achieve outstanding results. Hardworking. Success in sales requires dedication and hard work. We are looking for individuals willing to put in the effort and consistently go to the extra mile. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to elevate your sales career. Secure your spot in the Cumorah Academy Sales Bootcamp today and unlock your true potential. Visit our website or contact us now to get started your journey to sales success.